Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are having an amazing day. Today in this video we will be talking about both the methods of blocking or unblocking in Facebook. So be with me, let's start our video. First of all, I will just open Facebook and let's suppose that I am trying to block one of my friends. So for doing so, I will go to my profile section, and in my friends section, let's suppose that I just want to block this person. So I will just open this person's profile, and if I tap on this more option, then here there is an option of block. Okay, so if you want to block this person, you just have to click on this block. There will be caution that this person will no longer be able to see your post. Okay, so I will just click on this block. Now you can see that in my friends list the person has been removed. Okay, now let's suppose that you want to unblock that person. So for doing so, just have to click on these three lines, just scroll down, and here go to settings and privacy. Now from here just select settings. Now just scroll down. Okay, and here you can see there is an option for blocking. Just click on it. Block list, you can see that these all are my friends which I have blocked previously. So if I want to unblock this person, I will just click on this unblock. They are saying that you will have to wait 48 hours if you want to block this person again. Okay, so just click on this unblock, and that person has been unblocked from my blocking list. Okay, so that's all for now. Hope that you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.